Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. কেমন আছো তোমরা সবাই? How are y'all guys doing? Happy New Year guys. It's 2022 and I don't know how it's 2022. Yeah, time is running so fast. Okay, so today I'm gonna be reviewing a really hyped up product. Actually, it's not hyped up. It's really worth the hype. Okay, so it's Claire's freshly juiced vitamin drop, pure vitamin C. So here is the packaging. Okay, so let me show you the bottle first. So it's clear bottle, and I know you're thinking that vitamin C in clear bottle, how is this possible? Believe me, it depends on the formulation. So it's clear bottle and it's plastic packaging, and it has a dropper kind of thing. Yes, like this, it has dropper kind of thing. And the thing is, it's pure vitamin C and it's freshly juiced. So please, if you buy this, then store it in its original packet, because already it's clear. I know the formulation must be yeah, must be that point that it can hold the clear packaging, but please use this. Okay, so now coming to the ingredient list. So it has bunch of ingredient, and it has L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of ascorbic acid, and it is 5% in it. And you're thinking that 5% ascorbic acid, I'm used to 10% or 20%. The thing is, if you are applying vitamin C serum, 1% to 20%, this percentage is enough to show results on your skin. Yeah, it's really enough. And I'm showing this vitamin C because you see in the market vitamin C's are 10% or 20%, like Plum or that Minimalist. They are 10% vitamin C maximum in case. And so there are no as such beginner friendly vitamin C, and it is 5% vitamin C, and it's really beginner friendly. Okay, so coming to the ingredient list, it has, as I said before, it has 5% L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form, and then it has Centella asiatica extracts, which is like so soothing ingredient, and it has some fruit extracts. You can see an image over here. I'll show you everything. Yeah, so it has some fruit extracts, and it has amino acids and some peptides and polypeptides, and it has sodium if you hear some noise, then I'm really sorry, because it's January month and it's picnic month, so this is pretty common, pretty normal. Yeah, but the thing is, it has some essential oils. It has lavender essential oil, and I think yeah, it has essential oils. So if you are sensitive to essential oils, then the thing is, the formulation is really great. Even I know people who are using this and they have sensitive skin, but it did not sensitize their skin. I mean, yeah, so if you have sensitive skin, you can use this because it's really great and the formulation is really great. It's worth your money. Okay, so it has like this pretty much, and it has no perfume or artificial fragrances, but it has essential oil, and it's not a, yeah, it's not a deal with this. And it has yuzu extracts. I don't know how to pronounce it, and grapefruit extracts, but it's really great. Yeah. Okay, so if you don't know what vitamin C does, it basically fades away with your acne marks and your spots, your acne spots or some dark spots. It's really to fade away this, and it's really great to work as an antioxidant, because when the sun, the UV radiation in our skin, it creates some oxidants, free radicals, which are really bad for our skin, and it's really they cause you wrinkles, premature aging, and it fights with this. So use this in the daytime. If you're using vitamin C to get that antioxidant benefit, so you can use it in the daytime, and it is photosensitive, so you have to use a sunscreen. And if you're using it at night time, then it will work as, you know, to fade away your acne marks. It won't work as an antioxidant at the night time, basically. And if you want that you know, it to deal with your acne marks and wrinkles, then you can use it with any vitamin E moisturizer, because vitamin C and vitamin E, they are really great. And it Clears has a vitamin E mask, but it's really very costly. So I found a cheap and dupe kind of thing. I mean, not dupe, but it's cheap and it's Indian product, and it's Dr. Sheth's vitamin E and ginseng moisturizing cream. So it has vitamin E, and you surely can use this. It is like 50-gram product. So if you're using it at night time, then use this combo, and you're gonna thank me in my comment section. And if you're using this at daytime, then use this combo. Okay, so coming back to my thoughts, what is my experience? You can see that I've used this much product. It was filled with hair, this much products. To my experience, I don't have acne marks on my face, as such acne marks on my face. I really don't have any. So I can't, I mean, tell you that, okay, I can't really tell you that it worked to fade away the acne marks or not, but it really does, because I know people who are using this and they are telling me that they see results, and vitamin C takes 3 to 4 weeks to show results on your skin. So if you're using this, then continuously using this for 3 to 4 weeks, and I'm sure you're gonna show some results with this. Yeah. And the thing, okay, so now how you can apply it. So now there is nothing on my face, and I've just used a toner and an essence and nothing more. Yeah. So first I'm gonna tie my hair with a scrunchie. Scrunchies are really great. It's not opening. Done. Okay, so now there is 2 steps how you can use the Clears serum. So there are basically 2 ways. So first, you can directly apply it on your skin like you normally do with your normal serums, or you can mix it with your moisturizer to kind of dilute the efficiency. Yeah, to kind of dilute the efficiency, because most of the case when you are beginner in vitamin C, if you directly use it on your skin, then you might get some irritation somehow. And if you apply it with if you mix it with the moisturizer, then yeah, there is no as such problems. Okay, so I'm not gonna use it directly on my face right now, because I'm showing the second way to you. So for moisturizer, don't use a moisturizer that has any kind of actives like vitamin C or niacinamide based moisturizer, or yeah, just use a basic normal moisturizer which has no such active ingredient. Just use normal basic moisturizer. So for this technique, actually I've used this technique initially because I was so afraid using this on my face directly. So yeah, for my moisturizer, I'm taking Advanced Snail 92 all-in-one cream. So first, okay, this is gonna be a little messy. Please pardon me for this. Okay, so first I'm taking like this much cream, my moisturizer, and then I'm like, just shake this bottle before you open it up, because it's good in this way. Okay, so I'm taking like 1, 2, yeah, just 2 drops. And the thing is, if you let that dropper, like this, it's gonna drip. Yeah, it's not like a normal dropper. I don't know what's wrong with the dropper. It keeps dripping the serum even if I don't apply pressure. Okay, so now I'm using this with your serum. Don't use this motion with your serum. Don't use that extra heat on when you apply your serum. Just tap it, because yeah, just like this. Yeah, and I think it's done. And you can use just this kind of normal motion. to apply it in the last times, and it's done. And it's the safest way to use vitamin C initially in your face, I think, according to me, because it's not gonna react on your skin. And one thing, if you are using this in the daytime, you have to use a sunscreen, because the thing is, vitamin C is photosensitive. If you don't apply sunscreen, I mean enough sunscreen, then it's gonna really damage your skin. So use your sunscreen after it. And if you're using at night time, then use vitamin E based moisturizer, because vitamin C and vitamin E, when you combine them, the efficiency, it's going to increase 2x times or 10x times, and you're really going to get benefits like anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and so on and so forth. So use vitamin E moisturizer at night, and if you are applying it in the daytime, don't forget your sunscreen. Yeah, it's really important. If you like my makeup, then you can comment me and I will make a video about this look. For using this product, then you have to finish this within 1 year, because it has this kind of thing. Oh my god, it can't focus. Okay, so it has this kind of thing, and it says that as soon as you open it, you have to finish this within 1 year. And trust me, if you apply this one time in a day, then it will easily last you for 3 to 4 months. I know the price is kind of high, but it's really worth your money, because it's really gonna show results on your skin. And the thing is, it's really effective. I mean, when I first time I applied this on my face, the next time I really see glow on my face. I mean, my skin was glowing after using this in one use. And yeah, it's really great. And if you want something to work instantly on your skin, then you can surely grab it. And the thing is, I've used some Indian vitamin C serums first, and it gave, my skin get horribly bad after using them. I got some red bumps all over my face, and it was so annoying time in my life. Then I thought that vitamin C is not my thing. My skin is not made to take vitamin C doses. And then I don't know what I thought. I buy this, and then I understand that the products that you're using on your skin, it really doesn't matter about the brand. It depends on the formulation, the science that has used to make this product, and obviously the ingredient list. So if something doesn't work on your skin, it doesn't mean that your skin is not made for it. It might be the case that that formulation or something that has in it, it's not good for your skin. So don't lose your hope. Yeah. And if you are using this continuously, yeah, it's gonna last you easily for 3 to 4 or 6 months. And if you use retinol or retinoids or AHA, BHA, then don't pair it with any kind of actives, please, because it is an active. So if you're using this, then just use this and use a normal basic moisturizer. You can use vitamin E moisturizer, but don't use toners that such as AHA or BHA toner before it. Just use normal hydrating stuffs on your face, and then you can use this. And if you wanna if you're using this and then you really wanna use AHA, BHA, then if you are using chemical peels or AHA, BHA, then don't use it in the next day. Try to use it 1 day later. First you can use it your AHA, BHA toner or serum or chemical peel. Then you can skip the second day for hydrating stuffs, and then third day you can use vitamin C, because don't use it continuously. And I'm saying this as a beginner, because I'm a beginner in vitamin C also, and this is really a beginner friendly video. Okay, so don't use it continuously. After you run out of the bottle, you can wait for 1 or 2 months, and then you can again use this, because the thing is, this is purest form of vitamin C. So if you use it continuously, your skin became, what does it call, your skin become habituated with that product, and then it's not gonna show results on your skin. So use this product and then wait for 2 or 3 months or maybe 4 or 5 months, and then again you can use it. So if you have if you wanna really fade away your dark spots, then you can first use the whole bottle of the of this vitamin C, and then you can use niacinamide for 2 to 3 months, and then again you can use this on your face. So don't use it continuously, please. Use it for a certain period of time and then skip it, and don't put it like for too many long days, because otherwise it's gonna oxidize and it's gonna change its color. It's pure liquidy, like watery, and the thing is, when you apply it on your face, your skin feels so warm. I mean, it feels so warm, and so it means this thing is working on your skin. This is purest form of vitamin C and it's working on your skin. That's why you get that warm sensation of your skin. But it's not a deal, it's not a matter. The warm sensation, it goes away within 10 or 15 seconds. It's totally fine with it. Yeah, it's totally fine. If you like this video, then like this video, share this video with your friends and families. And it's my first video in 2022 and I'm so happy about this. I'm really looking forward to having, making more videos in this year, and enlarge my YouTube family, and I'm really looking forward to it. And subscribe to my channel. If you like this kind of video, then give it a thumbs up, and if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll be really grateful to answer it. Till then, take care and bye bye.